Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. In The Iceman Cometh, the recurring philosophical idea of pipe dreams is most closely associated with which character? A. Larry Slade, B. Hickey, C. Parrott, D. Joe Mott. The right answer is option B. Hickey. Next question. Arthur Miller's The Crucible is historically set during which year? A. 1689, B. 1692, C. 1701, D. 1710. The right answer is option B. 1692. Next question. The play Camino Real by Tennessee Williams is structurally influenced by which dramatic tradition? A. Greek tragedy, B. Expressionism, C. Epic theatre, D. Absurd drama. The right answer is option B. Expressionism. Next question. Edward Albee's The Zoo story was first performed in which city? A. New York, B. Chicago, C. Berlin, D. London. The right answer is option C. Berlin. Next question. In Long Day's Journey into Night, Edmond Tyrone is explicitly associated with which profession? A. Journalist, B. Sailor, C. Poet, D. Actor. The right answer is option C. Poet. Next question. Which Arthur Miller play directly addresses the concept of moral responsibility within capitalist enterprise? A. Death of a Salesman, B. The Price, C. All My Sons, D. After the Fall. The right answer is option C. All My Sons. Next question. Tennessee Williams described which play as a memory play in its production notes? A. Cat on a Hot Tin Roof, B. The Glass Menagerie, C. Orpheus Descending, D. Summer and Smoke. The right answer is option B. The Glass Menagerie. Next question. In Edward Albee's Who's Afraid of Virginia Woolf, the imaginary child symbolizes A. Failed parenthood, B. Illusion sustaining marriage, C. Social conformity, D. Patriarchal dominance. The right answer is option B. Illusion sustaining marriage. Next question. Eugene O'Neill received the Nobel Prize for Literature in which year? A. 1929, B. 1932, C. 1936, D. 1941. The right answer is option C. 1936. Next question. The setting of Miller's A View from the Bridge is A. Harlem, B. Brooklyn waterfront, C. Bronx shipyard, D. Manhattan docks. The right answer is option B. Brooklyn waterfront. Next question. Tennessee Williams' Suddenly Last Summer revolves around which dominating theme? A. Southern aristocracy, B. Cannibalistic violence, C. Psychiatric control, D. Sexual repression. The right answer is option D. Sexual repression. Next question. Which Albee play reworks the myth of the American frontier? A. Tiny Alice, B. Seascape, C. The American Dream, D. The Sandbox. The right answer is option B. Seascape. Next question. O'Neill's The Emperor Jones is notable for its use of A. Naturalistic realism, B. Symbolic drumbeats, C. Stream of consciousness, D. Epic narration. The right answer is option B. Symbolic drumbeats. Next question. Arthur Miller's After the Fall is widely considered to be semi-autobiographical in its portrayal of A. Political betrayal, B. Marital collapse, C. Religious doubt, D. War trauma. The right answer is option B. Marital collapse. Next question. The character Blanche Dubois first appears in which location? A. Laurel, Mississippi, B. New Orleans, C. Belle Reve, D. Elysian Fields. The right answer is option D. Elysian Fields. Next question. Edward Albee's Tiny Alice is often interpreted as an allegory of A. Religious faith, B. Sexual politics, C. Power and illusion, D. Capitalist ideology. The right answer is option C. Power and illusion. Next question. In Morrigan, O'Neill experiments with which dramatic technique? A. Masked characters, B. Chorus narration, C. Split consciousness, D. Musical interludes. The right answer is option A. Masked characters. Next question. The Misfits screenplay was written by which American dramatist? A. Arthur Miller, B. Edward Albee, C. Tennessee Williams, D. Eugene O'Neill. The right answer is option A. Arthur Miller. Next question. Tennessee Williams' tragic heroes often belong to which social group? A. Urban working class, B. Displaced southern gentry, C. Industrial elites, D. Immigrant communities. The right answer is option B. Displaced southern gentry. Next question. Edward Albee's dramatic style is most closely aligned with which movement? A. Naturalism, B. Theatre of the absurd, C. Socialist realism, D. Epic theatre. The right answer is option B. Theatre of the absurd. Question for you. The Hairy Ape critiques the effects of A. Colonial exploitation. B. Industrial alienation. C. Religious hypocrisy. D. Political corruption. Submit the right answer below in the comment box.